Thanks, Kaylee. Now let's check back in with meteorologist David Holtman to see just how long these warm temps are going to stay.
And that's right. The headlining today was that heat in the area. Today's highs were around the 80s and 90s here as we go across the state. If we could actually switch to max 1, that would be great on prompter here. We could see those storms start to move into our northwest zone here. Just looking around, we can see yeah, there we go. 90 degrees here in Cedar Rapids. Heat index value of 101 right now. Dew point of 76 degrees, just making it feel overall muggy right now. Those southerly winds are providing the only relief. Heat index values across the state going around about 100 degrees right now, so it is just warm out there. Those are those storms I mentioned earlier here, just around the northwestern parts of our county. Could possibly see an isolated shower or storm. That's not the big threat tonight here. We'll see a cold front move on through here later. As we drop those temperatures down, clouds will start to move into our area from the northwest, bring in those storms with the cold front. And we are seeing mainly the threats here would be just some damaging wind and possibly isolated heavy rain amounts, just depending on where you are located within the system. So let's time it all out here with Predictor right now. You can see the storms start around 11 p.m. We can see that cold front start to push its way on through. Then around the early morning hours, we'll start to make its way here into Cedar Rapids. Then it'll push its way off through. Really by the morning hours, we'll get it out of our area and start to clear up by the late morning into the midday hours. We could notice, especially in our southeastern counties, just some redevelopment of storms just happening here. It's not too much of a severe threat here in our area, but just south and east of us probably is going to be a larger severe threat. We'll see kind of that stationary front stay down to our south, but keeping skies mostly clear Friday morning until some isolated redevelopment could happen Friday evening. Predictor doesn't show too much, but we could see a pop-up storm or two as we go into our Friday. Rain amounts here, we're going to look for the first system. The squall should move by fast enough to where we could see just some lower rain amounts, 1 to 2/10 of an inch, maybe up to a half an inch in some isolated spots. Really isn't until you get under an isolated cell either Thursday, Friday night, where you could see those heavier rainfall rates that could occur and that could possibly lead to some extra flash flooding that we've already been seeing over the last few days. 7-day does highlight those warmer temperatures start to cool on off as we get into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Storm chances do start to make their way into the picture. Then as we move into Sunday and Monday, we'll start to see the clouds start to clear out and we'll start to see the warmer temperatures as well.